We finally made it to Melbourne, but before we show you our first stop here, let's rewind a bit. Last night, we stayed at this cozy inn in Wodonga. Simple, quiet, and perfect for a quick rest before the big drive. And since it's Easter Sunday, we attended a beautiful mass to celebrate the true meaning of the season. Then, it's off to a 3-hour drive to Melbourne. Honestly, long drives like these are the best with family. Just chilling, enjoying the view, random convos, and good music in the background. Finally, we reached Melbourne. And our first stop, something we missed in our last visit, the infamous Brighton Bathing Boxes. These boxes are even cuter in person, super colorful and iconic. Even with a huge crowd, it's not too hard to grab some nice photos. You just gotta be a little patient, and you'll get your shot. After the beach, we headed to the city to meet up with Team Abaquita. Always nice seeing familiar faces, and exploring the city together just made it more special. We walked around, grabbed some delicious dinner, and of course, ended the night with ice cream, because why not? That's it! More adventures coming soon, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to follow along.